just found an amazing way to make Harry Potter wands. It's super cheap and wands look like you bought them from shop. Here is how to make them. You'll need some paper, glue, paints, and hot glue gun. First, roll the paper into tube. You can do that several times to make the right shape. I was making Harry Potter wand, so I made pointed and conical shape. Then stick the end of paper and cut off the tips. Now it's time to make structure and details of wand with hot glue gun. At the beginning, I measured my hand and made form that can be easily holded. Then I did the rest of the details to make my wand as close to the real as possible. After that, I started painting my wand. I painted the handle black, the next part dark brown, and then added some details to the handle. Finally, I painted the end of the wand light brown, and my wand was finished. You can make the same structure and colors as me, or make your own wand.
But that wand is special, because it's working.
But now seriously, if you want to know how to make that special wand, subscribe and I'll show you in the next video.